Yes, sir. I have given you an URL.
Okay.
So to that URL, you can see my computer screen,
Hmm.
and are you able to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'll take you across the application. Okay. Now I start with the application. So right now
Hmm.
I'm going to write the username is admin, password is admin. We're going to log in. So as soon as we log in,
No, I don't see the screen.
yeah, it will be some 2 minutes delay or something. No, no. In the URL I sent you, no, sir, you have to use that URL actually. Just a minute, I'll share the screen again. Share screen. Wait a minute. Share screen. Just a minute, sir. 1 minute.
Wait, Harish, I'll call you. Wait, I'm just in a meeting. I'll call
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Sure. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, so I guess you're able to listen. Okay, so what's going to happen here? I'm going to explain. So this is the login page. So as soon as you put on the URL, this is what appears. So your username is admin, and the password is admin as well. Then we remember and login it. Login. So the very first thing by default, it will show the location where the GPS points. So I have set the current location to 00. So that's the reason it is pointing out here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a route. So I'm going to click on the route. So there are options to edit the route. So there is no route at all. So I have to create a route. So click on the route, add. It will create the route. So step one. So click on your source, your destination. So this is a known thing. So port A to port B, port A, port B, vessel ID, estimated time. It's not actually estimated time, it's distance. Submitted. After we submit, creates the source and the destination. Now we are supposed to create the arc. So we double click on it. So now we have created the path, route path. So we are rechecking it in case we need to do any modification. So we are fine with the route path. So we are going to give a color. So you have option to. Okay, I'll show you one option here. For example, we edit check here, so it's 375. I'll change it to 376. See, it changes to 376. So it's as good as that. So once you're done, choose the color. So I like green as usual. So I'm going to choose the green color and I'm going to submit it. So once it gets submitted, so green color route has been formed. So this is the way the ship is supposed to sail. It's a guideline for the ship to sail. Now what we are going to do is we are going to form a border for it. So within this area only the ship has to sail. So we are creating a border. So we have created the border as well. So similar option is also available for the border. So once we have created the border, we have to color code it. So submit it. Come on. So now we are able to create the route. Now we have to mark the obstacles. So we are giving an obstacle. So it's an iceberg obstacle. Okay, move away. So it's forming an iceberg, as you can see. So similarly, we're going to take height. So we can give whatever command of our choice. So the obstacles have been put. Next, what we are going to do is, so we are done with the number of obstacles. So we have put on 2 obstacles on the way. So that's it. So we have to go to the main route. So for that, we click the GPS button. So if we click the GPS button, it tags the route. So route will be visible only when you attach it to the itinerary. So we are going to attach the route to the itinerary. So we're going to click on the itinerary button. Once we click the itinerary button, as you can see, we are going to create a new itinerary. So we are going to create the new itinerary, and we are going to start it from this time onwards. So new itinerary we're going to, so 20th December, 11 p.m. onward, 11:11. It is 11 o'clock and 11 minutes onwards. We are going to create this itinerary for. So as you can see, if we create this itinerary, it will be active from this time onwards for the user admin. So right now we have logged in as admin. So create the itinerary. So we have listed route ID 1, and we'll go to the home page. So once we go to the home page, as you can see, so itinerary has been listed. So for every 20 seconds, the route will be tagged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, so it is getting tagged. You can see your warning signals. So GPS device is gonna be, for example, so I have attached a GPS device or so as you can see. So next, what we're gonna do is, so this warning keeps coming till the location changes to a safe zone. So let's see. So now we change to safe zone. After every 20 seconds, there won't be a warning. Okay. Minus. So as you can see here, okay. So this is the introduction of the homepage. Now we are going to edit the route. If we don't like, okay. So this is port A, port B route. So we're going to edit the path or border. So I like to edit the border. So what I decided is I click on the edit border option. So edit border option consists of actually editing the existing border. So it won't change the border. It'll actually. So you should not take this existing border off. On the existing border itself, you have to create it. So we are going to make it more small. So we are done. So once we are happy with the output, so we are changing it to violet color. So the same route when submitted gets automatically updated. See, let's check it on the GPS module. See, it is automatically updated. See, as you can see, the route path is also being traced. You can see it, guys. I'm very sure. So route is also being traced. What happens here? Let's see this. So the updated route is being taken. Next, what we're going to do is we can create an itinerary history. So we decided the journey has ended. So what we do is we click on stop journey option. So when we click stop journey option, journey stops, and you can access this journey in the history. See, itinerary ID 1 has been ended at during 11:18 p.m. So 11:18 is the server's timing here actually. UTC. So that's it. So now what we're gonna do is, okay, we decided we want to delete the route. No problem. So I'm planning to delete this route, existing route itself. So click on delete route option. Are you sure you want to delete it? Yes. So the route itself gets deleted. So we go back to the GPS. Or you click on the route history. So this is the path traced by it. See, in route list, you wouldn't have this route. Yeah. So done the application. So we can We can create users, so we can add dudes at night. You can check the history. You can stop the journey if necessary. So that's it. We are logging out. We are done. Wow. So logout is working. So login is also working as well. So we are done. Yo.